What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Got a cool little project for us today. You guys are looking at the skid plate on this 2017 4Runner TRD Pro. We really enjoy this SUV truck. It is on a truck frame, so some people do call them trucks, but we really like this vehicle. And what we've got today is actually on the 2019s, the skid plates come in color-filled red. So my wife and I decided to go color-filled black, and this is Tufskinz. You can see the logo there. And what they suggest to do is to actually prep the little etching of TRD with 50-50 alcohol and water mix, I guess. So I've done that. It says it's best to apply between like 70 and 100 degrees. Check the install instructions on that. But what I like to do is make sure of that. So see that little laser? We're right at 70 degrees, so I'm gonna think we're good. But anyway, there are pieces of adhesive on the back of these. There's a little piece of plastic on the front that I'm taking off right now. Let's see, there we go. So let me show you this. A little adhesive strip. You want to start in the middle and press firmly and work your way out. There's one. Whoop. I'm like MJ, gotta hold the tongue out a little bit to get it perfect, right? That's right. There's two. Oh man, that looks good. Looks real good. Just kind of using this rag to get even pressure everywhere. The alcohol's dried up by now. There's three. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Let's see if I can get this pan up. So it just kind of makes it pop a little bit whenever it's going down the road. Nice. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. You can get yours, I believe, at tufskinz.com. I'll try to post a link in the description. It was like 40-50 bucks. Enjoy, guys.